My name is Gavin Knox, Managing Director of Hydrogen Fuel Systems Proprietary Limited in Perth, Western Australia. Here we have our Generation 15 system mounted into the rear of my wife's Holden Captiva 3.6 litre V6 vehicle. Normally used to get around about 14 litres per 100k, now gets between 6.5 and 7.1 litres per 100 kilometres. A very efficient system. Everything's mounted into aluminium checker plate box, 3 booster cells, that's 3 double cells. Power supply and then die cast box here. The recycling container inside here holds 3 litres of water. Pumping system down the base there. Can be connected very easily, disconnected as well. The piping goes to the underside of the vehicle to the throttle body. The Anderson plug at the rear of the vehicle here, so rear of this unit, connects the system quite cleanly, quite easily to the box. The box measures 44 long by 25 wide by 33 high. This then passes through the front of the engine. There we have the throttle body. Throttle body is located here. The mass airflow sensor, the piping, the air filter, and my gas intake is located here. Just pumping goes straight, easily into the gas airflow line. I can be contacted through my email glnox11@live.com or glnox, glknox @dodo.com.au. My webpage is http://www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. A very efficient system, ideal for vehicles greater than 5 litres or work vehicles like this Holden Captiva is. This is definitely a work vehicle for my wife. Okay, I hope to speak to you soon. Have a great day. Gavin Knox from Hydrogen Fuel Systems Proprietary Limited in Perth, Western Australia, signing off. Goodbye.